So I built a cardboard Sir Handel without a face. So I'm gonna try and build a cardboard Peter Sam, probably without a face. Now this Sir Handel, it actually only took me 1 day to build. There's the boiler. Like I actually wrote the name. And then I have this silver little pipe going across the window, the cab windows, the front, the face, the buffers, the rods, the back. The reason the back's a little lighter and less shiny is because I ran out of blue paint, and I actually I wouldn't have had to gotten to paint the back at all if I didn't put fake coal in, because below this there's no paint below this, which is why I put coal. There's no paint below this mark point because I didn't want to waste any blue paint. This is the red line's actually acrylic paint. But yeah, I'm hoping to add a face soon. It's not hollow, like you can kind of see the inside, but I think that's as close as you can maybe get. So I'm gonna be doing a build video. I'm probably gonna have to split it up into a couple parts. So let's do it. So I dismantled my cardboard. I actually have my Trackmaster Peter Sam. Probably not the best reference, but you know, it's Peter Sam. This is a Trackmaster one. I put these windows on paper. Same with the front. But yeah, let's try it out. Now, I want this to be approximately the same size as the Sir Handel, so it'll kind of look like they're to scale together. So I'm going to go get my hobby knife and see what I can do, because I've already glued it together. Like, I need to get a straight edge. Sorry, I'm not cutting. So we have a straight edge. I don't know if I'm going to build it to scale of Sir Handel. Alright. Let's go ahead and cut. This guy has to be the length, full length of the running board. Alright. That little line right there. This line right here, that's going to be the point where I measure the width. Alright, I did that much. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's perfect! Oh my gosh, the camera wasn't even lined up. That is like the perfect width. I just gotta copy it. I swear, if this comes out like all cattywampus, I'm gonna be upset. Alright. Oh, I cut the straight edge. I'm gonna go get a new one. Alright, got a new one. Let's just see. No, I messed up. I can't. I'm gonna start over, so I'm just gonna kind of cut. Finally got the base cut out. I don't really care if it's the same size, because actually I think it's pretty close to Sir Handel. Yeah, so Oh yeah, that's very close. I don't know if Peter Sam's longer, but now we're gonna make the buffer beam, or the buffers. Alright, so now we're gonna tilt it. Now, it's gonna be another cutting part. Peter Sam, I don't think has that little, round part that Sir Handle has. Alright. Alright. Alright, that. And now I'm probably gonna cut to, oh, also, and if you're gonna make one yourself, I would highly recommend you get adult supervision if you're young, because this is a hobby knife, and hobby knife can literally cut a finger off. Not off, but like, it can harm a finger. So, I'm just gonna alright, let's see. I think that worked out. And, I don't have the hot glue gun fired up. I might have to fire that up when I get the chance. I don't know which side's going to be the front yet. Almost there. Oh no, oh no. Let's just peel this off. I'm not gonna spend the entire day on this. I'm gonna redo the buffer beam. Just give me a second. I got that cut. Now I need to fire up the hot glue gun. I had to move spots because, you know, like, fun and stuff. And I'm actually gonna make the buffer housings. And those are really simple. They're just square. Actually, no, are Peter Sam's square? So I'm just gonna cut some out of this cardboard that I just found lying around. So. There's one. There we go. We're around the same time. Alright. Now I'm gonna get my pieces out. This is a fan box I used, I know. Yep, I know. Alright, let's see if this glue gun is... Yep, sort of, just sort of. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of... That dried instantly. And, this one. And, oh, come on. Oh, I'm an idiot. I messed up. I'm just gonna have to redo that. I meant to put it on the white side down. But as you can tell, I did not do that. Alright. Should look like that, and this can be a tutorial too. Like, I mean, if you guys want to build your own, I do recommend following my instructions because, as you can tell, I've already built a circuit. Oh my gosh. I need to put 2 on this. I'm just going to do that really quickly. Okay. I just refilled my hot glue gun. I'll make sure to speed those up. Looks like I made it a little too... Oh my gosh, the light just came on. Oh my gosh. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how it works. I made it a little too wide. This will be Peter Sam's smoke box. I'm just going to kind of bend it into shape. This is Peter Sam's smoke box that I finished. That's going to be where his face is. It's going to be right there. And now I just have to fill it. That already looks like Peter Sam. So that's probably going to end this part. Thank you for watching. Bye.